Hi, I'm Nick Bolster with Control Panel Supply. Today I want to talk to you about the RIX Power Punch battery operated hydraulic punching tool. The tool comes with a sturdy plastic case which has everything that you need to complete the job. It's an operator's manual with a spare gasket kit. It's a battery operated punching tool with a multi-axis pivoting head. It will pivot 0 to 180 degrees along here and also rotate 360 degrees. So it should be very easy for you to get lined up in a hard to get places. Also is supplied with a Makita 18 volt 3 amp hour battery. Just snaps in. Comes with a battery charger, cord, and also necessary spacers and draw studs. To use it, it's really easy. Thread your draw stud in, line up to your hole, and push the red button. You see the draw stud pulled in towards the cylinder. To release, just press this other red button and the draw stud returns to the fully extended position. When you're finished, disassemble and close it up, and you're ready to take it for storage or to your next job site. These units are stocked in our St. Henry, Ohio facility and can be purchased online at controlpanelsupply.com. Thank you. Have a great day.